we are. We're on the beach today, Pacific Ocean, and it's king tide time. We get some unusually large waves for where we live today, but it's still a nice day for the beach. You just got to keep your eye on the waves and don't turn your back to the ocean, as they say. Don't want to do that. Look, there's a seagull. Looks like the fog's rolling in today. Look at this wave. Oh, man. Look at that one. That thing's huge. That thing's huge, dude. It's all the way to us. What do we find here? Ha 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 ha. What do we got? Big piece of driftwood right there. It's a big piece of driftwood. Look at those waves, they're coming. Oh my gosh, we gotta get out of here. We're gonna run for our lives. We go run to the rock? No, that's the wrong way. Alright, here we go. We go. See what we find. Look at those waves, folks. Nothing but whitewater right now. It's like whitewater rafting. Waves coming in 2 feet. Huge waves. Huge waves. Pacific Ocean. King tides. In October. Uh-oh. We gotta go. We gotta go, folks. We're out of here. How do you guys like my puffy jacket? Everybody's got a puffy jacket, don't they? You gotta have a puffy shirt, you gotta have a puffy jacket. Nice and warm. Oh, look at the puffy jacket. Oh, it's so soft. Puffy jacket. What do we got? We got seagulls. We got 2 seagulls. Seagulls on a rock. 2 seagulls on a rock. Sounds like the name of a band. 2 seagulls on a rock. 2 seagulls, but a lot of poop. How is there so much poop for 2 seagulls? That's a lot of poop. I think there's more than 2 seagulls. We could ride the rock. Oh, it looks scary. It looks too scary. It's coming after us. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. Big today. After us. Here it comes. Ooh, look at this one behind it. Oh, that's a big one. There it comes. It's crashing in. Oh, right for it. You know what the yellow is? That's whale pee. Whale pee. That's what I believe it is. I'm pretty sure of it. Could be something different, but I think it's whale pee. Oh, buddy. We gotta look out. Look out today. What's that? Another seagull. Caw. Yeah, seagulls go caca. They go caca. They don't caca. Oh, dude, it's a big one. Oh, we better get back. Here's something. It's a really big one, folks. Retreat. It's still coming, folks. Retreat. It's trying to get us. Looks like it's trying to get the seagull, too. Alright, folks. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, subscribe. Send to a friend. Wait up, where are you going?